Okay, so now that you've signed up for Relish, I'm going to show you how to save some of your recipes. You've probably discovered Relish by going through one of your most favorite bloggers. And so now I'm going to show you how to save even more recipes to your recipe box. So what you're going to do is start on the home page. You can always go back here by clicking on the Relish icon, and you are going to start scrolling through the website. We have over 50,000 recipes that you can choose from, which is a lot of recipes. And whenever you find something that you find interesting, you can click on it, like garlic butter baked salmon recipe from Diet Hood. Click on it, and it will take you to this page. This page shows the name of the recipe, and it shows you how many it serves, that you can save it or you can share it, and all of the different ingredients here. What I like about this is that it lists all the ingredients right away so that you can see what you have, what you don't have, what you might need to take out of the freezer for the night, etc. To save this, you go over to the save and you click on it, and a new window will pop up. This is your saved recipes. And you can see here that I have 4 different recipes already saved. You might only have 1. And to add more recipes, you're going to say, okay, great, I have 4 recipes. Let's click out of that recipe box and then go back to the home page to do more scrolling. So you can scroll through. These are listed as newest recipes, or sometimes they're seasonal. So it's good to just look at the very first page that's here. But you can also go up to the search bar. Let's say that you want to make banana bread, because everybody needs to make banana bread. And it will take you to a new window with all different kinds of cool ways of making banana bread. And hello, this one looks good. German chocolate banana bread. It takes you to the same page, and you save it by clicking on the heart. It will take you to your new window, and then you can see all of your saved recipes on this window. Okay, so get scrolling and try to find some new recipes to start cooking with.